Today we're going to make a smashed cucumber and halloumi salad with a little kind of tahini yogurt dressing. It's so simple to make this recipe, and it's one of those kind of really fresh, vibrant recipes that's perfect for the summer. So what we're going to do to start with is smash our cucumber. And when I say smash, I literally mean smash. We're going to take a rolling pin and we're going to bash the cucumber. And this just kind of really breaks up all the flesh. So then when we come to season it, it just allows the salt to really penetrate into the cucumber and draw out some of that moisture. And then what we're going to do is make a little tahini yogurt dressing. So very simply, some really, really good quality yogurt. This one's from Halloumi. It's absolutely delicious. We're going to mix that with some tahini and then add a little bit of lemon juice, some fresh mint, and kind of chop that through and stir that through the yogurt dressing. And then slice our halloumi and just really simply kind of grill it and let that caramelize and just slightly soften. And then that all gets mixed together with our smashed cucumber, covered in that lovely yogurty minty dressing, a little bit of lemon zest to finish it off, and it's absolutely beautiful for the summer.